Go to the TOPdesk menu. Select New, then Selections, then Call Management, and finally All Calls. Press Where to create a selection that searches for an operator. Find and click on Operator under the section Processing. Now, we want the selection to ask for the operator every time we use the selection. To do this, simply use the drop-down menu in the middle and select Ask during selection use. Apply this to the selection and use it. Now we are asked to provide the operator whom we want to see all calls assigned to. Type in the desired operator, in this case, Dawn Meadows.